Hi everyone! So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Meron tayong bagong review video today. But this is entirely for those who are looking for a refresher review program na purely online. And this is about kung saan ako nag-enroll at nakatapos ng JD refresher course. So, sa bar exam, I failed 3 times. So, I need to enroll sa JD refresher course or yung 4th year course. So, I need a school na nag-offer ng purely online class. It is based in Dipolog City and the school is Andres Bonifacio College School of Law. So, let's talk about the enrollment. So, usually, first sem, nag-enroll ako last year, 2025, around June, nag-prepare na ako ng tuition. July, nag-enroll ako kasi late that July, nag-start yung classes namin. When it comes to tuition, first sem, around 30K. Pero, it can be divided into 4. You have to pay upfront, 7,000 plus yung binayad ko. Or you can pay all at once. They will be giving you a bank deposit number para dun kayo magbayad. They do not accept credit card. So, first sem naman is, yes, it's okay. Nagbayad na ako before ako nag-enroll ng second sem nung balance ko sa tuition. So, nung second sem, yung tuition is around 28 to 29,000 divided into 4. Nagbayad ulit ako ng 6,000 or 7,000 plus for the enrollment. Yung balance, binayaran ko na siya, or babayaran ko pa siya, this time, pagkukunin ko na yung aking certificate from them. Kasi tapos ko na yung whole year. And, when it comes to grades, kasi importante ito, di ba? Ito yung kailangan natin. So, for me, is, you really have to prepare. Although pure online siya, pero madugo pa din yung mga recitation. So, if the teacher will say, oh, you prepare, the lawyer, the attorney will say, you prepare for the recit, you really have to prepare kasi mahirap talaga siya actually, kahit online. You have to have your notes. Pwede naman tumingin doon, may guide ka doon. Pwede kang online no? But, you have to be careful with your application of your legal basis, ganyan, kasi check din nila yan, tatanungin ka din nila. Same sa face-to-face classes. So, when it comes to grades, wala akong absent. Sinasabi ko na to kasi pag laging nag-absent, meron kaming classmate na alam kong nag-fail siya. I don't have absences. I attend sa reset. Yung talagang recitation, yung talaga yon. Tsaka yung exams, ginalingan ko. Kahit hindi naman lahat alam ko. Kasi hindi lahat nababasa talaga. As in. But, I make sure na yung mga legal basis na yan is mag-fit in doon sa hinihingi ng tanong. So far, okay naman siya. So, grades, I got 1.75, 2 subjects. Then, the lowest is 2.5. So, meaning, pwede at kaya talaga, basta focus lang. So, second sem, wala pa akong grades kasi wala pa, bago lang natapos yung aming second sem. When it comes to teaching, dito naman tayo. So, the teachers, professors, lawyers na nag-teach sa amin for the first sem and second sem are really good. Merong mga teachers na talagang nagre-require sila for recitation, case digest, ganyan. You just have to follow instructions, prepare. And there are also teachers na lecture lang sila, pure lecture. So that's the time, that's your downtime. But not really downtime kasi you need to study also kasi mahirap talaga yung mga exams. And just a tip, some of the questions actually, nabasa ko siya sa bar Q&A. So you just have to answer it on using your own words. And yes, so there. So, what else? They have a mock bar actually every year. Sa time namin, it was around second sem, midterms. Meron kaming mock bar. Sa time namin, meron ngang 2 sections, actually A and B. I belong to the second section, B. And sa lahat ng refreshers, meron nga silang top 10 and top 5 for each subject. So, kung day 1, day 2, Dalawang subjects yun, di ba? So, it is actually pattern sa bar exam. So, mock bar, yun. So, we really prepared and ako naman is, since wala na akong time, my strategy at that time is nag-aral ako sa bar Q&A. Although mali yung ginawa ko kasi I did not answer the questions, the legal basis and all using my own words. Sobrang baba nung result. I was only the top 9 nung time na yon, pero hindi ko na inano yung sarili ko kasi at least I was able to answer. And true enough, dahil magaling yung teacher ng civil law namin, I got around 96 or 94. Yan. So, expect that ABC will help you when it comes to preparing for the bar. Like, magbibigay sila ng tips, reading materials, yes, mag-guide sila. You really have to take the mock bar kasi part yun ng grades happening every second sem. Meron silang bar prep class. You have to take that kasi malaking tulong talaga siya for the momentum in preparation for the bar exam. So, ibig sabihin, bago pa nag-finals, nakapag-study ka na. So, makakatulong siya actually every time you are going to prepare each exam na ibibigay nila, especially the finals. And what else? If you have questions, you can share your questions to comments below para ma-answer ko. And by the way, I am sharing this because alam kong marami sa inyo yung magtatanong kung saan ba makapag-enroll ng refresher course for the bar exam. So far, kung i-rate ko yung pag-study ko, kasi tapos na kami, tapos na yung second sem. So, natapos ko na yung first sem and second sem. Kung i-rate ko yung pag-study ko sa online course ng ABC, it's 9/10. So, I've enjoyed my classes, my study, although sometimes hindi ako prepared sa recitation, but hindi talaga ako nag-a-absent. I'll be honest. I have no absences. Hindi lahat ng questions sa reset nasasagot ko, but my grades, 175 to 2.5. Akala ko 3 lahat yun. But, so far, so good. Hindi ko alam sa second sem kasi wala pa akong grades. But, all in all, masasabi ko is, if you are busy with your work, and you need a pure online class for the refresher, so an option, the best option for me for now is ABC, Andres Bonifacio College School of Law. So magagaling yung mga teachers and they've been doing this matagal na, alam ko kasi chinecheck ko yan lagi nung hindi pa ako nag-enroll sa kanila. And I have friends na nakapasa na sa bar exam. I have classmates, friends, schoolmates na nakapasa na sa when they enrolled sa kanila. So, what else? So, if you have questions, yung hindi ko na take up dito, kasi nasabi ko na yung tuition, yung teaching nila, start of classes, which is first sem, July, pag second sem is January. Yes, nasabi ko na. So, if you have questions, share your comments down below. I will answer it. I hope mabasa ko. And good luck. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye!